In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Outlook error 550 quickly and in the simplest way possible. This error usually means your email was rejected by the recipient's mail server, and it can happen because the address does not exist. The recipient has blocked you or your message was flagged as spam. The good news is that in many cases, the fix is straightforward once you know what to check. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is carefully verify the recipient's email address. Outlook error 550 is often caused by a small typo, like a missing letter, an extra period, or the wrong domain name. Open the email you were trying to send, then check the address character by character. Make sure the name is correct, the domain is correct, and there are no spaces or hidden mistakes. If you copied the address from somewhere else, it's worth pasting it into a text editor first so you can inspect it more clearly. If the address is wrong, correct it and try sending the email again. In many cases, that alone will solve the problem. If the address looks correct, the next step is to ask the recipient to whitelist your email address. Whitelisting means their mail server or inbox settings will treat your messages as trusted and allow them through. This is especially useful if your message is being blocked because of spam filters or security settings on their side. Ask them to add your email address or your domain to their safe sender list, then resend the message. If they use a company email system, their IT team may need to approve your address on the server side. Another useful step is to keep your email message clean and professional. Avoid spam-like subject lines, too many links, large attachments, or repeated promotional wording because those can increase the chance of being rejected. If possible, try sending a simple test email with plain text first. That can help you determine whether the issue is with your content or with the recipient's server settings. You should also double-check whether the recipient has changed their email address recently. Sometimes error 550 appears because you're sending to an old account that no longer exists. If the recipient has a new address, update it in your contacts before sending again. If you're still seeing the error, try sending from a different Outlook account or ask the recipient to confirm that their mailbox is active and accepting messages. At this point, the problem is usually on the receiving side, not yours, especially if you've already confirmed the address and message content. So to summarize, the fastest fix for Outlook error 550 is to verify the recipient's email address for typos and, if needed, ask the recipient to whitelist your email address. Those two steps solve a lot of these delivery issues without any complicated troubleshooting. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Outlook fixes like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.